Hey people, so this is one of these random videos we make because we have with us
Chickies.
these two little chicks, because rabbits are so difficult to, I don't know, rabbits, they just keep
They just die.
yeah, it's very, I don't know, they don't last. So we brought these little chicks, and hopefully, and what my son says is true, that both these little chicks must be male chicks, because for obvious reasons, I mean, in the poultry industry, the male chicks are seen as a waste product, right? Poor things. So now they are here, and my little son is with me, and this is one of these very impromptu videos, but take a look at them. I think they are adorable.
They are
So,
way more newborn than
yeah,
chicks.
yeah. So
Even
we'll,
though they are chicks.
we'll keep making such videos with our little adorable sweethearts. So sorry, I'm looking like this. We just drove and came from Madhapur, and we brought these chicks
And my
from
feet are all
thing.
dirty.
Yeah, and then we'll catch you all in our next video.
Bye bye.
So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.